Hi guys, this is Mr.Z. I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 1. Square root of 2k squared plus 17 minus x is equal to 0. If k is greater than 0 and x is equal to 7, in the equation above, what is the value of k? First of all guys, for this question, we just change the x with 7 and transfer it to the right hand side. So it'll become positive 7. Negative 7 becomes positive 7 on the other side. Let's rewrite the equation. Square root of 2k squared plus 17 is equal to 7. And we just need to, guys, take the square of both parts. And once we take the square root of the left-hand side, we have to remove the, guys, radical sign. 2k squared plus 17 is going to be equal to 7 squared, which is 49. And we subtract 17 from both sides. 2k squared is equal to 32, and once we simplify it, k squared is going to be equal to 16, k is going to be positive negative 4. But we know that, guys, k is greater than 0. That's why there will be only one solution for this equation, which is 4. So answer choice A is the correct answer. So question 2, next question. We are going to, guys, solve this question as we solved the question 1. We have square root of k plus 2 minus x is equal to 0. In the equation above, k is a constant. If x is equal to 9, what is the value of k? So let's change the x with 9 and transfer it to the right hand side. So square root of k plus 2 minus 9 becomes positive 9 on the other side, and we just take the square root of both sides and remove the radical sign. It'll be k plus 2 is equal to 81, and we subtract 2 from both sides. K is equal to 79, which is D. Now question 3. We have square root of 2x plus 6 plus 4 is equal to x plus 3, and we need to find out the solution side of the equation. So first of all, guys, we just transfer the 4 to the other side. Okay, it'll be negative 4. So square root of 2x plus 6 is equal to x plus 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. And then square root of 2x plus 6 is equal to x minus 1. We take the square of both parts and remove the radical sign. 2x plus 6 is going to be equal to x minus 1 squared. This is the way how you can take the square of this expression. Square root of the first term, which is x squared, then minus first number or first term time 2 times first term times second term, which is 2x, and then square root of the second term, which is 1 squared, 1. And then I'm going to, guys, combine all terms on the right hand side. But once you, guys, transfer those terms to the right hand side, you have to switch the signs. So x squared minus 2x plus 1, 2x becomes negative 2x, and 6 becomes negative 6. Okay, now I'm going to combine the like terms. Negative 2x minus 2x is equal to negative 4x. So x squared minus 4x, and 1 minus 6 is equal to 5, negative 5. So x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And then we just factorize it, guys. We need to find out the factors of negative 5 add up to negative 4. Negative 4. So those two numbers are going to be, guys, negative 5 and 1. So x minus 5 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. In this case, there will be two solutions for x. One is going to be 5, and the other one is going to be negative 1. These two values, x values, makes this equation, guys, 0. So, but the last step, guys, we have to try these two the possible solutions. So once you guys try it, you will see that, guys, let us write it in this form, like square root of 2x plus 6 is equal to x minus 1. So x, it does not work, guys. This equation does not work for x is equal to negative 1, because, guys, once you use negative 1 for x, so we are going to have, guys, negative 2. I mean, negative 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 2. We are going to have the negative 2 on the right-hand side. So there will be no real solution, guys, here. So if you have like square root function or square root of equation, so that equation must be equal to a positive number or 0. So if it's equal to a negative number, then there will be no real solution. So I can eliminate this value. X is going to be only, guys, 5, which is B. Okay, next question, question 4. Let's check this out. What do we have? We have, I believe that, okay, so square root of x minus a is equal to x minus 4. And if a is equal to 2, what is the solution side of the equation above? Okay, so I just need to change the 2 with a. So new equation is going to be just like this. This x minus 2 is equal to x minus 4. And then we just take the square of both parts. Once you take the square of both parts, we have to remove the radical sign. So it'll be x minus 2 is equal to square of the first term, x squared, minus 2 times first term times second term, which makes 8x, and then square root of the second number. I'll combine these two terms on the right-hand side. So x becomes negative x, and the negative 2 becomes positive 2. So x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus x plus 2 is going to be equal to 0. Okay, so I will combine the like terms. Negative 8x minus x is equal to negative 9x. X squared minus 9x, 16 plus 2 is equal to 18, which is equal to 0. And we just need to factorize it, guys, in this form. So factors of 18 add up to negative 9. Those two numbers are going to be negative 6 and negative 3. So x minus 6 times x minus 3 is going to be equal to 0. So there will be two solutions. X is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. These are the, guys, possible solutions. So we just need to check them out. We have, guys, x minus 4 on the right hand side, as you see here. So if we use, guys, 6, it'll work. Like 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, which is possible. But 3, it does not work, guys, because 3 minus 4 is going to be equal to negative 1. So if you have a square root, then it'll be equal to 0 or greater than 0. So if it's negative 1, guys, then there will be no real solution. So we can eliminate the, guys, 3 in this equation, for this equation. Okay, so x is equal to 6, which is D. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.